a football coach, a club owner, and someone who's won 20 national titles. We've won 5 international titles. We've produced 248 internationals, which is in all age groups, which is more than the total of all other clubs and academies in India put together on one side. We've still done more. But still, my biggest achievement in life, what I'm most proud of, is 4,000 of my students are currently serving in the armed forces as officers, because that's what Minerva is, and that's where all this passion and love for the country comes from. And as you can see, I'm wearing this t-shirt. This is because my greatest honor to even tell you this, that Vikram sir was a Minervan. He was our student. So that is the kind of legacy we have. So anything less than total devotion to the country will be unfair just even to this man, other than all the hundreds and thousands who've lost their lives for their country, who've been Minervans. But coming to this, what does this actually mean? ये दिल मांगे मोर, क्या मतलब है इसका? ये हमारे टाइम पे 90s and 2000s में पेप्सी की ऐड होती थी, ये दिल मांगे मोर, you know, because basically they were saying that you want more Pepsi. And this great man, Paramveer Chakra Captain Vikram Batra, Sher Shah, who lost his life fighting for you guys to make your dreams come true. Why? Because if he hadn't done that, probably we wouldn't have been sitting, I wouldn't have been here giving this TED talk, anything could have happened. So he gave his today for your tomorrow. This great man and hundreds like that. So ye dil mange more is, you have to embody this in your everyday life. That means never settling, always striving for more, always wanting more and excellence in life. And while doing that, you guys make a big mistake thinking that your competition is the guy who's coming first in your class. Or maybe your competition is the guy who's the world champion. Maybe that's what you should be. By the way, let's come to dreams. Your dreams are not dreams unless they scare you. I mean it. And the best dreams are in the day. Raat ko to things are just chemical imbalances in your body coming up with things. So you should dream to be a world champion. But even then you can't compete with the world champion. Your only competition in life is you. And the easiest person to beat in life is you. Because the only person you can't lie to is exactly you. The mind is something so powerful. It can destroy your life or it can help you achieve the impossible. But understand, people will start believing in you when you start believing in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself 100%, you really think anyone else will believe in you? So when I talk about don't be humble, that doesn't mean be cocky. It means believe in yourself. That no matter what happens, you will do it. No matter what happens. So when is failure? For me, what do I call failure? Death. Everything other than death, every failure other than death is psychological. Think about it. Every other failure. Yes, no, yes. So understand, when that is the threshold you put, कि जब तक मैं मरता नहीं तो ठीक हूं, तो रह क्या जिंदगी में? एक और एग्जांपल देता हूं. ये जो इसे टॉक है ये, and I can speak. This is not that everyone can't do it. क्यों मुझे पता है ये बात? क्योंकि हम सारे नंगे और गुंगे पैदा हुए थे. नंगे पे नंगे, हाँ नंगे और गुंगे पैदा हुए थे. तो स्पीकर पैदा होते बनते हैं. Understand that. Imagine with this you can rule the world. Politicians. You can cause wars. You can cause peace. starting from Adolf Hitler's speeches to Mahatma Gandhi's speeches. Imagine. And what does it take? Nothing. You just going ahead and doing it. And ये सबसे बड़ा दुनिया का fear है. क्या? Public speaking. सबसे बड़ा fear है. Tested by psychologists for the last 100 years. Bigger than the fear of death. Death of somebody I love. And or my own death. 20% people said that. 40,000 people surveyed. 20% people said fear of economic या financial problems at home. या भूत प्रेत आत्मा. 20% people said animals, reptiles, snakes, phobias, claustrophobia, this phobia, that phobia. And 40% people said afraid of speaking in front of a group. मतलब मरने के लिए तैयार है मगर बात नहीं करनी है हमने. तो यहां पे क्या है? क्या फियर है? जैसे हाइट का फियर है. क्या फियर होता है हाइट का? कि चोट लग जाएगी. यहां क्या फियर है? हाँ, लोग क्या समझेंगे? ईगो. What people will think about me. Imagine you stop thinking that. What people think about you. So when do you actually start growing in life? When you stop giving a rat's ass what people think about you. Till then you're not growing. You are trying to become them, what they want. Till the time you don't do that, you're never going to grow. You have to drop your ego, not for being humble, you have to drop your ego because you are not humble, exactly the opposite. You only care what you think about yourself. Why? Because the only person you can lie to is who? Yourself. And the only person who's your competition is who? Self. That is why. Now, when I talked about fear, fear की reaction क्या है? सारे fears के. Depends on क्या fear है. या लातें कांपती हैं, या हाथ कांपते हैं, या गला सूखता है, हार्ट रेट तेज होता है, सुसु आता है, कई बार इकट्ठे हो जाता है सब कुछ. Depending क्या fear है. If you see a dog, people who are not used to dogs, and who have, some people are afraid of dogs. कुत्ता आता है पास में, कहते हैं हाय कुत्ता. आगे से कोबरा आ गया, फिर क्या करोगे? हाय कोबरा. You can't show the same reaction for a dog and a cobra. Why? Because cobra will kill you. फट रही है, ठीक है. Dog will not kill you. Logically you're supposed to know that. But जिसकी फट रही है उसकी गलती नहीं है. Because he doesn't have a dog at home. और 2 बार कुत्ता काट ले सारा फेर चला जाता है. क्यों? पता लगता है इतनी दर्दी होती है. जैसे 6 फुट की दीवार से गिर के होती है. नहीं तो 6 फुट की दीवार, 10 फुट की दीवार, 20 फुट की दीवार, same fear till the time you actually go and do it. So what do I mean? Do the thing you fear and the death of fear is certain. And no one is asking you to get over the fear of cobras. Okay? So logical fears in life. लड़कियों की छिपकली है. So हम अपने हॉस्टल में छिपकलियां रखते हैं गर्ल्स हॉस्टल में. See guys, if you can get over one fear in life, na, it's the same thing. You can get over all other fears. And do you know in the armed forces, what is the fear they check? Not the fear of death, not the fear of water or heights, the fear of stage. In the armed forces, if you cannot speak to who? To your men, who are going to die for every word coming out of your mouth. Then, समझ आई? So, this is expected of every human being. Because if you do not use this, especially you guys who are now trying to be corporate honchos, if you cannot communicate, and don't say, oh, we could do it over the email. Unless you want to keep on staying at the managerial level, keep writing emails. If you want to be in the conference room taking the decisions, this matters. Unless you have this, you will never be a CEO, you will never own a company, you will never be able to get any work done. That's how important this is. So the most important thing to do is what? Develop skills. Because even if you go bankrupt, skills don't. And you'll be able to do that all over again. The main thing is qualities. ये बार बार ये बात आती है qualities की. Qualities का मतलब क्या है? ये आर्म्ड फोर्सेस में, एसएसबी में some people may have given it, ये OLQs कहते हैं. OLQs का मतलब है ऑफिसर लाइक क्वालिटीज. ये क्वालिटीज 3 जगह डिवाइड होती है, मेंटल क्वालिटीज, मॉरल एंड फिजिकल. और ये क्वालिटीज का एग्जांपल है ऑनेस्टी, डिसिप्लिन, लीडरशिप, कोऑपरेशन, सोशल अडैप्शन, इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन, करेज, स्टैमिना, एंड्योरेंस. ये सारी क्वालिटीज सिर्फ आर्म्ड फोर्सेस ऑफिसर में नहीं मिलेंगी. ये सारी क्वालिटीज सारे सक्सेसफुल ह्यूमन बींग्स में मिलेंगी. एंड नॉट ओनली प्रोफेशनल रिलेशनशिप्स, बाय द वे, even your personal relationships are based on this. You can ask the girls, do you want a husband who cheats on you? No. Forget husband wife, guys. You don't want your best friend who's not loyal to you. अब बात क्या है? ओ भाई साहब, सो शुरू कर देते हैं. आपका डेमो देख लो. It's a bloody choice. What is a choice? Life में success is a choice. Why is it a choice? Because you choose if you want to be disciplined. You choose if you want to work hard. You choose whether you want to put in effort. You choose whether you want to be honest. You choose whether you want to be loyal. You choose whether you want to work on your communication or not. It doesn't depend on your father, your mother, your caste, your creed, your religion. It depends on you. Your success in life depends on no one but you. So now my legs are screaming double. कि साले तेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया, तू दूसरी बार बैठ गया फिर से. बहुत दर्द हो रही है यार, अब तो खलियां पड़ गई है यार. I can't take it यार. And I'm saying shut up man, shut up man, shut up. And every time I'm able to get over it. Why? Because there's no pain. Pain is what? Pain is just a body's way of telling you something. You ignore it. You've ignored it so many times in your life for other stuff. Why not this? Imagine if you can control your brain, man, you can control the whole world. And that is in whose hand? Choice. So today, ladies and gentlemen, I leave you with a choice to be good people. Because in the armed forces, the only thing they check is your qualities, कि बंदा अच्छा है कि नहीं. ये नहीं कहते can we make him honest? Can we make him leaders? Can we make them leaders? Can we make them have cooperation? You're supposed to have those qualities in you. If you have those qualities in you, you don't need to be in the armed forces to be an officer. You're an officer now. Thank you guys. Jai Hind.